Hello. We will continue designing form in this lecture. In the previous lecture, my display scaling was set to 250%. So, the display does not fit. Now I set my display scaling to 175%. You can change the scaling by right-click on desktop. Select Display Settings. I adjusted to 175% instead of 250%. The text is now smaller, but it will show the correct scale for our design. It looks almost the same now. Now we will add controls starting by grouping. A group for text box. A group for data grid view. Maybe another group for data searching. You can use either group box or panel. I will teach how to use a group box in this lecture. Type in group box in the toolbox. And paste. I will create two group box now. Group box 1 and group box 2. Arrange the group box as you like. You can adjust group box background color. Go to Properties window. Scroll down to back color. I'll use powder blue. For the group box 2, I'll use light pink. Maybe pink is better. Adjust the space for control inputs. I'll change the text of group box 1 to employee info. This will include employee ID, names as we have created for employee database. Add a label control. Add a text box control. Expand the text box and copy. Just use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. I'll make 6 copies. The first one is for auto ID. Second is first name. Third is last name. Fourth is email. Fifth is job title. The last one is phone. Make changes in the Properties window. Change text accordingly. After correcting properties text, adjust text size. Entitle the text box controls according to your data usage. You don't need to change label properties name. We will apply command to text box, so we need to give them the correct name. First one is auto ID text box. Second is first name text box. Third is last name text box. Fourth is email text box. Fifth is job title text box. Last is phone text box. Set properties for auto ID to not allow change. Set read only as true. The user cannot make changes here. The ID will run automatically. You can delete Auto ID text box to avoid any user making changes. I put it here for your education purpose. Make sure you change the name for all text box controls. Next, I will arrange text box to look more beautiful. Test to see space between each text box. The first 3 text box are too close. Use select all and arrow to adjust the space. That's okay for now. You can also move group box by select all and pull down. The group box is close to the top edge. We need to pull down. Now you have the section employee data. We need department data. We will use combo box. Combo box will refer to ID. Because employee table and department table are linked by department ID. Copy, and paste. Change properties text to, department. Change the name of combo box to, division combo box, or department combo box. Move on to group box 2. Set text properties to employee list. This will show all employee when you select from data grid view. The data will display in employee info. It will display information of selected employee. Now, we are adding the data grid view. Click to hold, and drag here. Adjust the position,